Thank you, cousin. Here.
I'm too lazy to get up.
I needed some cologne, thank you.
To Mike from Jennifer McNary.
Really?
Yep, that's to Mike from Jennifer McNary.
It's to Mom. I bought it from them. Wrong girlfriend. Oops. Don't look at that.
Oh, you left the price tag too. Thanks.
Well, Merry Christmas.
Thanks. You gave her a really good laugh. It says to Mike from Jennifer McNary. Get the price tag. Those are good though.
That's a little cover up. My girlfriend.
Wow, smell that.
That is delicious.
That smells great. Thank you.
What is that?
Let's ask Jennifer. I don't know. This is called. Ooh, that smells good too. That's fruity.
Tutti Frutti.
Really good. It's probably the best smelling candle I've ever.
Yeah, that smells great.
Yeah.
Thank you. What?
That's just too good for my girl.
Okay, this is to Kylie.
Where's it from? Mama. Oh,
You sure are good, Martha.
okay, Dad.